An old man. What does an old man want a 3 bedroom place for? It's stupid, not just wasting money. Na? Because it's a high rent you take for 3 bedroom place, high rent. I used to rent only a studio. Don't understand. He's getting 3,500 US dollar pension every month. And he says this 3,500 is not enough to stay in US. When I was working in Canada, monthly I get about 2,200 to 2,500 Canadian dollars, and that is like just a hard struggle. It is because the cost also of living is high there. Dubai was the best. I was working in Dubai. I was getting like 6,500 Canadian dollars. That was a lot of money. I wish I never gave up my Dubai job. That's one thing I regret in life. Going to Canada. It's a heartache, nothing but a heartache. It's you when it's too late. It's you when you can. Yes, the little wall down beside where the water flows. Thank you, Marvi. Thank you, Alex. Down by the bank.
Pasensyahan niyo ang co-host, masyadong busy. The co-host is very busy. Oh my God. Six people in the house. Wow. And it's counting.
Oh, yeah, 6 people. 6 people and
So
counting.
much. Now this time I'm not sleepy because I have so many things to do.
But
One
Pita,
thing and
Pita,
one thing more ideas on the side.
but Pita, even if you feel sleepy, you should keep laughing. The laughing will keep you awake. I've had some bad times, lived through some sad times. This time the hurting won't heal. You picked a fine time to leave me.
La 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 la.
I'll never forget. Oh Christ, what happened here now? I'll never forget the first time when I was singing this song. Do you remember what you said?
Yeah.
Huh? Do you remember what you said?
Yeah.
What? What did you say?
How come did I leave you?
I was never with you. So how could I leave you? That's what you said. I was never with you. So how can I leave you? You picked a fine time to leave me, Lucille. with 4 hungry children and a crop in the field. I've had some bad times, lived through some